This Faceless YouTube channel hit 2.8 million subscribers with over 500 million views using only 33 AI-generated story videos. Some of their shorts have gotten hundreds of millions of views and generated hundreds of thousands in ad revenue. And I just discovered the exact tool that they're using to create these videos, and it's called OpenArt. I got early access to test it, and I'm about to show you the exact blueprint on how to create viral content that actually makes money. Let's get right to it. First, let's analyze what makes these videos go so viral. And then I'll show you the platform that allows you to create these videos, and we'll even create 2 or 3 of these videos and post them and see what happens. Here is one of these channels that just blew up, and we can see that some of their videos are getting 10 million views and others are even getting 170 million views. So let's analyze what makes these videos go so viral. Let's lock in. This is the channel that we will use as example. If we go to popular shorts, we see this video has 174 million views. Let's analyze what makes this so great. This start kind of showcases that there is some sort of crash, and you immediately invested to figure out what happens with this turtle. Notice that there is no voiceover. This is all just instrumental and sound effects in the background. So we have a cute rabbit and a cute turtle, and they become friends after they have been hurt. And it looks like they continue to become friends, and there's a whole story of how they grow up together. And there's even a little baby turtle that comes up afterwards and reunite this turtle with their parent. Now that we figured out the rough framework, which is cute animal, kind of realistic looking images, no voiceover, but we could also try it with voiceover, and background music and sound effects. The tool that I'm going to use is called OpenArt, and they just released a new feature called One-Click Story. They gave me early access to try this tool. Thank you so much for that early access.
Thank you.
Click on the link in the description and I might be able to give you early access as well. Once you click on this, you will be led to the homepage for OpenArt, and you can watch the tutorial on how to use this or just follow my steps. Just as a quick disclaimer, they have a free tier which comes with 40 one-time trial credits, and their cheapest plan is $7 per month, which comes with 4,000 credits. OpenArt lets you create AI videos, AI images, and AI characters, but the best feature that I love for this particular use case is the story feature. You can also see the character vlog feature here, which is what we will use for this video. Click on create. Down here, you can use the community characters, and these are the ones that they currently have available. But in this case, we want to copy the video that we just saw. So in order to do that, let's head over to the YouTube channel and let's click on the opening scene. Let's screenshot this. And let's take a few screenshots. Next, I'm gonna go to ChatGPT and I'm gonna insert this prompt that you will find below. I'm gonna give it this prompt and I'm gonna upload some reference images. I'll hit create and I'll have ChatGPT analyze the style of these videos and come up with a reference image character that we can use for OpenArt.
A few moments later.
And there we have our character. Let's download this image and go over to OpenArt and click on create. Next, we'll click on custom character and we'll insert Ronnie the rabbit, and we're going to upload the reference image. If you want to train your character for higher consistency, you can click on this link. But for the scope of this video, we'll just use the simple one image as our character for consistency. Click on create character. Now for the vlog topic, we can say that Ronnie the rabbit helps his friend, a turtle, who got injured and run over by a car. Ronnie the rabbit helps nurse the turtle back to health and they become best friends. The prompt in this case will just follow exactly the story that we found on the Rabbit's Journey YouTube channel. So in this case, Ronnie the rabbit helps his friend a turtle who got injured and run over by a car. Ronnie helps nurse the turtle back to health and they become best friends. For the aspect ratio, let's use 9:16 so that it's a vertical format. The background music, we can either add a link with Suno or we can upload a song. In this case, we'll just select auto select trending song and see what it comes up with. In the advanced settings, we want to select the image model that is best for our use case. In this case, Flux Context is best to keep consistent characters. And the video model that is state of the art is either Kling 2.1 standard or Kling 2.1 Pro. What I love about OpenArt is that they have multiple AI video and image generators to choose from. So if the first generation doesn't turn out quite all right, then you can try a second one, and usually you can find something that looks really good within the first or second generations. So in this case, we'll go with Kling 2.1 standard, and this costs about 1,000 credit for a video that's about 1 minute long. All you have to do is click on Create Story, and OpenArt does everything for you. It first creates a story script, then it creates the images that go into the script, and then it creates the videos to accompany everything together. As you can see here, you can step away anytime and they are working in the background. Let's create a second video in a different concept. We could either go back to this channel and see what other videos turn out and are viral. In this case, the danger aspect seems like it's doing quite well. So let's prompt it that Ronnie the Rabbit is being hunted. In this case, I'll say Ronnie the Rabbit is being hunted by a vicious crocodile. He's barely getting away, and we could either have a happy ending and say that they become good friends, or we could have a sad ending where we say eventually the crocodile catches him and eats him. Let's check if this rabbit actually gets eaten. Okay, it looks like he's being saved. So in this case, we'll go and eat him, but he gets saved last minute by, let's introduce maybe a fox, by a fox. Him and the fox become best friends. Let's go again in vertical format. We'll click on auto select and let's leave the advanced setting the same. Let's click on create story. And while this is generating, I just got the notification that the other video has finished. So let's view the story right now. This is super wholesome and just makes me happy. So I'm really surprised and impressed by how good this turned out. If we want to use this now, click on the 3 buttons on the right-hand side and click on download, or just click on the download button right here. You can also edit the story by clicking on edit the story button. And here we can see that we have full control over all of the different scenes. In this case, let's say we want to create another shot. And we say, in this case, we'll say a turtle gets run over by a car as the establishing shot for the story. Let's click on create. And for the video, we can type in the same thing. So here we have the starting image, and here's the prompt for the video generation. Let's click on create video. So if we want to add a new shot, we can move this all the way to the beginning and then either insert a prompt here, or we can add an image. In this case, let's go back to the same style that we have here, and let's add the image of the turtle here and download this. We'll go back here and we'll add the image by uploading it. In the video section here, to animate the image, we can say, zoom out and show the turtle alone on the street and getting run over by a car. Click generate video.
A few moments later.
And here's the video generated. It zooms out and there's just 1 frame of the car. So that is a really good dramatic shot in the beginning. Now, if we want to see it as part of the timeline, we can now view it back right here. If we want to change the frequency or duration of any of the clips, we can do that here. And you can change the speed right here and retry to generate the video here if anything looks out of the ordinary. Since we added more video, let's also extend the duration of the song. Now that this is done, let's click on share and let's download this video. Remove watermark and export again and download. So as you can see, this is really easy to put together. The editor is very intuitive to use, and I love the integrations that they have with different image models and video generating models. Now let's check out the second video that we generated. All right, that's really cute. And I could see this going viral as well. It has the danger factor, but in this case, there is an obvious flaw in one of the videos. And thankfully we have this awesome editor in order to correct for this. So here we can see that the rabbit is chasing the alligator. So let's cut this out. We go here and just cut it out at the point where the rabbit is turning around. Then there's a close-up shot of the alligator showing us the danger. And let's actually move this in between here. Here we can see that they're kind of running away. Here is the rabbit on its own. And here is the rabbit now with the fox. In this case, I don't like the still image. And I will not have it start on the jumping. I will just click it on regenerating the image of the fox being on the ground. Here's the updated image of the fox, and let's also now update the video. I'll say the fox becomes friends with the rabbit and they play with each other. Let's generate the video.
A few moments later.
And here's the second video. You can see that they become friends. How cute is that? In that case, let's pull up this shot forward. And then the dramatic ending is right here. And then let's add one more shot, go back to storyboard where the rabbit is sad. We'll say Ronnie the rabbit is sad and crying all alone in the forest. And the video that we'll create is Ronnie the rabbit is sad and crying alone in the forest and then hopping over to a grave. Just so we can have a very dramatic and sad ending, because hopefully that will spark engagement in the comment section. And speaking about the comment section, this is a good plug for you to subscribe to my channel or leave a comment below. How are you liking this tutorial or this tool so far? If you like it, perfect. If you don't, let me know in the comments so I can improve. And here's the final video. How cool is it? We were just able to create a whole 30-second short film with multiple scenes, dramatic music, a lot of emotional roller coaster, and consistent characters. And that is really what this tool is really good at, is it can create consistent characters, and it makes it so easy to create a whole cohesive story. And you have a lot of control over the videos as a creative director. And now to the upload part. Simply go over to the share button, click on download, click on export again and download. And now I'm gonna go to a YouTube channel here and I'll click on create, click on upload video, select the files, and I'll click on the rabbit video, upload, and say fox and crocodile. Dramatic video of a rabbit, fox, and crocodile in a forest. Will it end well? And now, since I'm uploading it from desktop, I'm gonna say #short. On the audience, I'll say no, it's not made for kids, and it does not include paid promotion, but it does include AI content. So it's always important to keep that there. I'll add a shorts and leave it at the category film and animation. Let's click on next, click on checks, and click on visibility and make it public. And we will do the same with the turtle video. We'll say rabbit helps turtle after car crash, and let's put these both in there and select AI altered content and click on next. It's not made for kids, and we can upload this as well. In just a few minutes, we were able to come up with 2 really great videos and upload them to YouTube. Let's see if we can get millions of views with these. Besides making really good videos like the ones we just made, I also used it in order to create music videos as well as explainer videos. Because my videos on how to make money with AI music have been doing so well, and you can see my core strategies on how to make money with AI music here, and I've created multiple music videos using this tool, and the quality of these music videos is phenomenal. If you want to check those out, subscribe to my channel, let me know if this video was helpful, and the video where I show you how to make music videos is right here. I'll see you in the next video.